So how do you disable the scroll down on the iPhone? Let me explain that. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. So what you are likely referring to is when this happens, like your iPhone goes down like half of the screen, it just moves down like this. And it is a feature, actually. It's not like a glitch or anything, and it's called reachability. You can change it in the settings, accessibility, and there you should be able to find the touch section. So you can see the second toggle or second menu option within the touch section is the reachability. So the description says that you can swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into the reach. So that's when you're holding your phone in one hand and perhaps you cannot reach the top of the screen with your thumb, right? You can just perform the gesture like that and it will move it down so you can access something. Perhaps click the icon at the top and it will move back to its original position. Naturally, as you can see, that is where it gets managed, so you can decide to turn it off if you don't like the feature, or as you can see, it is up to you to decide how you want to use it. But most likely this is the thing which you had in mind. If not, and if you had something completely different which you wanted to get fixed, please let me know about that below. I'm going to be very glad to make an updated video about that. So thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more videos so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.